Invest in yourself and stop owing CRA every year. Tax refund is not a magic, but it's about proper tax planning. Use all the tax planning that government has put in place to save more money in your pocket and stop owing them every year. I am here to take your tax savings to another level. I'm going to teach you on how to save more money in your pocket before the next tax season. Start planning today. Today is the right time to start planning and save more money in your pocket. I know this is not new to many people. It's not new. But I'm going to explain it in numbers. Let's talk numbers. Number one thing for you to reduce your taxes is RRSP, contributing to RRSP. It can be from work or from you contributing personally. FHSA for first-time home buyer. If you have bought your house before, FHSA is not for you. Junior due. Number 4, childcare expenses. 5, moving expenses, support payment, employment expenses. Provided your employer give you T2200 current charges. I put this 9 to 10, donation, medical expenses, business. I put it in red because they are not direct deduction when it comes to them reducing your tax. They are also part of it. Don't quote me wrong. They're also part of it, but for direct deduction straight to bring down your income, number 1 to 8 does the job. So when you contribute to RRSP, you can contribute to RRSP, contribute to FHSA together, not to stop you from doing that. The limit for FHSA is 8,000 for first time home buyer, lifetime of 40,000. RRSP, your limit, you will find it in your recent notice of assessment. So the difference is just like when you can use both to buy your first home buyer and the RRSP. It's just like when you take money from RRSP, withdraw money from RRSP, you have to return it back in the space of time. It's a deferred tax saving mechanism that you have to pay back in the future. They defer it now, but you're going to pay back in the future when the time comes. But for FHSA, once you use it, you don't return it back. And it serves the same purpose that RRSP is serving in reducing taxes for you. Okay, let me take you to the side. Client A, have 100,000 total income for the year. He contributed into RRSP 12,000, FHSA 8,000. You can contribute into 2 together. I'm just taking 2 out of it. Together, make 20,000 that he contributed into RRSP FHSA. And his total income will be reduced, minus 20,000 down. 80,000 would be what it will be taxed in his hand. Taxable income, that's what it will be taxed in the hand of client A. Okay, let me now go to client B. It has total income of 100,000, the same income. But it does not contribute into RRSP, FHSA. It contributed into union due, and he have a moving expenses. Altogether make 1,000. And 1,000 will be deducted from his total income, and 99,000 will be what will be taxed in his hand. Most of you always saying that it's my colleague, we earn the same income. How come that is getting more refund than me? Because why? You don't even know what your colleague did. If your colleague is client A that contributed into this, it will get more refund than you that have this. Because whatever that is happening here from 1 to 8 is going to deduct your income straight away, and the remaining balance is what will be taxed in your hand. You cannot compare client A and client B. You can't compare them together. By the time every other thing, let's say for example, client A now have other things to reduce his tax further. Maybe in his employer gave him a condition to claim expenses. He now do this with it, and he has child care expenses together with it. He will get more refund because this has already help further. Let me now give you one gist. Maybe I'm going to come for another video for that. And this one will be treated in my part 2, how the donation, medical expenses, how business expenses help in saving tax for you. Go and contribute into RRSP when you have extra. Instead of you owing government, use that money to contribute into RRSP efficiently. Invest in yourself. Stop owing. When you put all this together, accept refund. I'm telling you, it's work. Expect refund, because this is going to reduce your tax further. This is my top tips for you today. I will come back for the video to explain how deduction, medical expenses, and business expenses help. You can also keep track of your childcare expenses, moving expenses, declare it whenever you are filing your tax. Don't say, I just moved. You can ask your tax preparer. You never know whether you are eligible for it to claim it. Ask your tax preparer. Support payment. When you support for divorce or kind of that, make sure